Hello mga katropa! Ako nga po pala si Long.
At ako naman si Christian.
And welcome to
Isandan!
where we will show you that you can enjoy one place for
100 pesos!
saan naman tayo mag-enjoy?
Eh saan pa ba? Eh di sa Tagaytay! 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 Yay!
Huy!
Tagaytay! Oh!
Welcome to Tagaytay!
Tagaytay has a total land area of 66.1 km and covers the southern part of the province of Cavite. Ang katimugan at kanluran ng siyudad ay puno ng mga bundok, brawl that are usually covered with woodlands and grass areas. Totoo na famous sa Tagaytay ay ang mga tourist spots such as Sky Ranch, Picnic Grove, as well as shopping centers like Shirin and Robinson's Mall. Kasama na din dito ang mga different establishments, pero to enjoy them would need a lot of money to spend. Kaya let's see where 100 pesos can take us. Malamig ang klima from November to February, and what better way to have breakfast than a cup of hot taho for only 20 pesos.
For breakfast, you can have mainit at masarap na taho.
For only 20 pesos!
Pesos, di ba kuya?
Thank you po kuya. Maraming salamat sa masarap na taho.
Ingat po. Thank you kuya.
A jeepney ride costs 7 pesos towards Magallanes Square. Magallanes Square is just on a cliff where you can see the view of Taal in its all splendor. Maganda! You can see the whole of Taal Lake and the Taal Volcano. At libre pa, no entrance fee.
Mga katropa, hindi kompleto ang Tagaytay Escapade nyo kung di nyo makikita ang
The beauty of Taal.
volcano!
Normally gumagastos ang pamilya nyo at barkada nyo at mga kaibigan nyo ng malalaki para lang makita ang view ng Taal. But we can see that you can see the beauty of Taal with 0 pesos.
Tagaytay is also called the Vatican City of the Philippines dahil halos makikita dito ang mga iba't ibang seminary, religious houses, and churches. In fact, malalakad lang ang mga ito, so no need to spend fare for jeepney trip. Exercise pa. Isa sa mga malapit ay ang Lourdes Parish Church will be celebrated its 75th year of establishment. Just along Aguinaldo Highway, it has been a famous place for weddings and of course, reflection and prayer. Families would go here to express their devotions to the Blessed Mother. Wow! Food trip, scenic view, and spiritual journey. What more can we offer?
From Magallanes Fair, pwede na rin kayo maglakad-lakad. Madadaanan nyo yung maraming establishment dito sa Tagaytay.
And along the way, madadaanan nyo ang Our Lady of Lourdes Parish.
Food is also served best here in Tagaytay. Pero ang mahal ng mga restaurants, what to do? Tara, just a few more steps and mararating ang Olivares Circle where different street foods are sold for a low price, and our favorite for lunch is calamares. Fresh from Taal Lake, fresh water squids, breaded and deep fried are sold 5 pesos a piece. Sulit, di ba? Sold na ang lunch. To end the day, one will simply enjoy a bigger view of Tagaytay in the wool of Batangas, Cavite, with a place at the top of Mount Sungay. People's Park is a government-maintained park that actually played a historical mark in a country's rich history. It became a fortress of defense for Filipinos during the Spanish era. Maraming mabibili dito, like souvenirs and gifts for only 25 pesos.
Sa halagang 17 pesos mula sa Olivares Terminal, nakapunta tayo dito sa Tagaytay People's Park. Sa halagang 30 pesos na entrance fee dito sa Tagaytay People's Park, ma-enjoy mo na yung mga view ng Taal Volcano.
Okay mga kaibigan, ngayon nasa huli tayo ng yugto ng ating
Tagaytay Escapade.
at sa ngayon ating kukumputin ang ating mga ginastos. Okay katropa,
20 pesos para sa taho.
pangalawa,
Calamares, 15 pesos.
pangatlo,
Mula terminal ng Olivares papuntang People's Park sa halagang 17 pesos.
at ang pang-apat,
Entrance fee na 30 pesos. Ngayon, napatunayan natin na hindi natin kailangan gumastos ng mahigit sa 100 para lang ma-enjoy ang isang lugar. Diba?
tama katropa.
At ako pala si Christian.
At ang nga po pala si Long. Hanggang sa muli.
Paalam!
All of CW.